Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Before we can change the wiper blades, we need to put the wipers in the service position. I'll turn the ignition on by pressing the start button once. Start at the beginning. Using the MMI system, we'll navigate to car with the joystick. Press enter. We're going to go to car systems. Servicing and checks. Turn it down to wiper service position. I'm going to turn it on. The oil level. To remove our wipers, just lift them off the windshield. Press in on this button. At the same time, grab the wiper, lift straight out. It'll unlock. Take our new wiper blade, just slide it right down. It'll snap into place. Repeat that for the other side. Make sure it's lined up. And locks into place. Now we'll return them to the original position.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.